An on-screen pop-up message will alert you when it's time for cleaning. Follow the prompts on screen. If you need to perform the clean cycle manually, first access the settings menu by touching the cog icon on the upper right of the screen and select the clean cycle. Before you start, empty the drip tray and reinsert it. Then, to commence, insert the single-shot basket into the portafilter. Place the gray silicone cleaning disc into the basket. Place the cleaning tablet into the center. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head, and select the right arrow on the screen to continue. Then, press Start. Once the screen indicates the clean cycle is finished, remove the portafilter. The tablet should have completely dissolved. If it hasn't, commence another cycle until it is completely dissolved. Remove the portafilter and thoroughly rinse the portafilter and flush the group head by pressing the brew button. It is recommended to flush the group head for 20 seconds.